Guys, how are you? My name is Sitendra Punia and I am your anchor, I'm your teacher, and of course, I'm your mentor because you see, I am older than you, okay? I am 5, 6, and 10 years older than you. So, and of course, look, guys, all about your point of view. Life is all about your point of view, how you are gonna see this world, okay? This is all about. And look, my channel is really helping you that you can improve your skill, you can improve your English, and one of the most important thing, you can solve your life problem because no coaching institute in this India. I have seen this like this. Look, guys, I have visited India is each and every city. Each and every city I visited in India, okay? I never seen no institute in this India like who are solve your life problem. No institute. And look, there are 90% Baba and these all are Guru. These are fake. Okay, yes, we can see that, easily can see that in newspaper, news, and there are a lot of, we can't say rumor, okay? So we can't say that, we can't deny this fact that, and look, guys, India is a very spiritual country. Look, foreigner visited in, if you just visited to Pushkar, Nainital, then you just see, then you easily can see there are a lot of foreigner who always, and look, in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, Mr. Jaggi Vasudev, he is my everything. He is my everything. He is my everything. I can say that if that man can, that I really want your life, I will give my life to them with very easy and happy. Because, guys, I know truth. Look at what is this truth. The biggest achievement you can achieve in your life. Money, no, I really can't say that. Fame, name, no, guys, truth. You know the truth with living your life, okay? Otherwise, I have seen 18 years old women, 19 years old women who take a mala of 108, Rudraksh and Ram, 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 just because their family tell them now you are old, so now you have to do this. Now you have to do this because now you are 18 years, 19 years old. So take a mala and 24 hours Ram, 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 Ram. What is this? No. It's all just crap. All just crap. This is all just bullshit. So that's why my channel is all about that. Help your problem. And look, guys, if you just like, share and subscribe my channel, it will boost me and it will motivate me so I can make a more content for you. And look, guys, also take care of this kind of channel who are providing you information like that. Take a nimbu, take a mirch, take a nimbu, and guys, these all are just fake. All are just fake. All are just fake. Give me that all these crap, nimbu, these mirch. I will play with them for like a football. All are just crap. So don't stuck with them. You know what? A time when I was a child, yes, the childhood I spent in my life, all my relatives that always fear that no, you shouldn't touch it. These all are black magic. These all are, these all are ridiculous. And look, guys, 80% Indian still struggling this kind of trap, okay? 18%. And no one is helping them, no one is telling them that this is all just a mentally trap, this is all just a psychological trap. Okay. And also guys, today's my topic is women. Yes guys, listen to 5 and 6. Think very carefully. Always stay away from women fight. I'm telling you, even your house members are fighting to each other. I mean, these so-called your mother, sister, even they are fight. Stay away from them. Any house, just stay away from them. Otherwise, you gonna pay for it. Look, guys, why I am telling you these things? Because I have gained this experience, and whenever these kind of thing happen in someone house, then every child gonna disturb that. Yes, so always stay away from every woman fight. Okay. Secondly, look guys, 17 and 80% cases now we are seeing in 2026 that are increasing: false rape cases, false dowry cases, false victim card, false allegation of sexually harassment, false allegation of that he just beaten me. I mean, 80% cases are increasing. First of all, I'm telling you, never afraid in this kind of situation, because rape cases, these all, if you just sexually intercourse with them, okay, in forensic lab. So if you didn't do like this, first of all guys, I'm telling you this thing, always do this thing with your best friend. Always, first of all, I'm telling you, this is the best suggestion I'm giving you. This thing do only with your friends. Okay. And also in everywhere in India you can see there are a lot of sex workers are doing this kind of you know what, these are very secure. Go to them and just relax with them. Okay. But first of all, I'm telling you, no woman can accuse you until you didn't have this kind of thing. Forensic lab, yes, test always. And look, also no woman can accuse that you just allegation that you just beat him, beat her, you just give them a sexually harassment. No woman, because this is also like a you know what guys, I'm telling you a very good thing. I have seen some kind of psycho woman, I mean, who burn their head, who burn their body, okay, and just cut to their, I mean, these are mental women. I have seen a lot of. And look guys, these all are divorced, and you are seeing this kind of disturbing thing. What is this? This is all about that. I mean, they are just give them, first they just give them some kind of pain, and they do just allegation on their husband to get a more alimony. Okay. I mean, you are seeing after marrying mother and daughter talking 10 hours, 15 hours every day. What is this? First of I mean, today is are shamelessly living in a 6 month their house. 6 means 1 year. I mean, so what kind of, these all are just psychological trap. So again, I'm telling you, just guys, follow my channel, listen to my channel, and I'm sure you gonna solve your problem. Because again, I'm telling you, this information will no one provide you. Okay. Only my channel is providing you this kind of information, because guys, I am going through these all our experience. Okay. So I have a experience, I have a knowledge that how you can solve all this problem, okay, and make your life like a heaven. Okay, just grow and grow each and every day, guys, and follow your dream, live your dream. One day you will success. Thank you very much.